This is Elm Street in Manchester, New Hampshire on Thursday, November 4th. It's been a few days since the storm. You can still see how much damage there is and how much cleanup there still needs to be done. There's some more. And this is just one small area. And this is throughout the city. And it just looks like this all over the place. A freak snowstorm in October, and this is what you end up with down one of these streets. There was a crew earlier cleaning up branches. I think it was at that street. Just making it passable. Pretty amazing.